This is the river flooding. Here's the riverboat damn near up our ass. Holy shit. This is the highest you're ever gonna see this fucking water. Look at, yeah, holy shit. They came and retied it. I'm a little concerned the bar's gonna flood because here's the bar and there's the water. On this point here, it's up about, well, where you see this flagpole here, it's about 35 feet to where the water usually is, or about 30 or so. This is usually about a 16-foot drop right here from these rocks to the water. Holy balls. Where you see this water line here in the bay here, it's usually about a 10-foot drop into the water.